Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a budget with QuickBooks step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log in to your account. From the dashboard, locate the Accounting tab on the left menu. Click on Budgeting to access the Budgeting section. Next, select Add Budget to start creating a new budget. Enter the name of your budget for easy identification. Choose the fiscal year for which you are creating the budget. Select the frequency of the budget, such as monthly or quarterly. Now, click on Next to start adding your budgeted amounts. Choose the account you want to budget for from the list provided. For each account, enter the expected income or expense amounts. You can adjust the amounts for specific months if you are on a monthly budget. Once you have filled in all necessary amounts, review your entries for accuracy. When you are satisfied, click on Save to save your budget. To view your budget, go back to the Budgeting section. Select the budget you just created from the list. Analyze the data by comparing your budget to actual performance. This will help you track your financial position over time. To make changes, simply click on Edit next to the budget. You can create multiple budgets for different areas of your business. Regularly review and update your budget as needed to stay on track. Utilize the reporting features in QuickBooks for detailed insights. With these steps, you now have a functional budget in QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.